Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can restore deleted photos on Facebook. So in order to restore your deleted photos on Facebook, you have to watch this video till the end. So basically all you have to do is just log in into your Facebook account. Now it's a very simple way of doing it, so make sure to stick with us right till the end. Now that you're logged in, tap the tab bar icon and go to the settings page. As you do that, you need to scroll down right to the bottom and go to the section that says your info, and under it click on download your information. Now you have to go through the statement carefully before you proceed on and click the continue button. As you've done that, it's going to take you to the other field where you need to go and select download or transfer. Now make sure to unmark all of those accounts that you actually don't need it and tap the next button. Now you need to select whether you want the available information or that, and make sure to select the device where you actually want the information to be and tap the next button. Wait for it to restore the data. So basically when they have actually restored your data, it's going to be notified something like this with a small pop-up which you can press on it and enter in the password, and then you can recover or restore your deleted photos on Facebook. So in this way you can restore your deleted photos of Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.